Right? So, pag ang opportunity hindi makapasok, ang pera hindi rin makapasok. Tama? So, pag ang pera hindi makapasok, closed, pati bank account closed. Do you want an open bank account? Yes. Then keep an open mind. Keep an open heart. Is that a deal? Yes. For the next 1 hour, I will show you the business that changed hundreds, if not thousands of lives already here in the Philippines. And we have only just begun. We're inviting you to join us in this business as we conquer the world. Is that a good invitation? Yes. Very exciting. Okay, we're going to talk about something exciting. So, are you ready? Yes! Sabi nila, success comes only to those who are ready. Do you agree? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! And let's go. The name of the company is Global Fusion Incorporated. Global Fusion Incorporated is 2 years old. Okay, this is our SEC registration. This is our BFAT issued permit and our DTI permit. Are these very important documents? Yes, we are conducting business, and our business is 255% legit. Okay? It's legitimate. So wala namang tatanong, legal ba? May mga kukulit, baka mamaya, legal ba? Yes, it is. You can call SEC, you can call anyone. I know it goes without saying, kasi nga may negosyo, so natural may SEC. But you can never be too careful. Maganda na nakikita nyo na rin. Agree? Yes. Alright. This company was formed by two very amazing people with big hearts. Mr. Enrico Noel Uy is our president, a graduate of economics of Ateneo de Manila University, and Mr. Bong Escobedo, a high-ranking official or high-ranking corporate employee in National Steel Corporation. Very big company. Now, maganda dyan, right now, they are spearheading Global Fusion Incorporated as our president and as our vice president. 33 years combined experience in this type of industry. 33 years. Is that good experience? Yes, because 33 years is more years than you. Tama? So malamang magandang experience yan, right? Right? Alright. In order to be successful in business, you have to have solid partners. Do you agree? Yes. These are our partners. Our first partner on the far right is Kyowa Kirin. Kyowa Kirin is a company, a pharmaceutical company from Japan. It is 70 years old. 70 years old. Stable? Yes. Yes, that's one of our business partners. Our second business partner is Sabinsa Corporation. Here on the far right, far left natin. Sabinsa Corporation is 30 years old. Okay? As a 30-year-old company, it's an Indian nutraceutical company dealing in health and wellness products. Stable? Yes. And our final partner, Miss Joy Lim. Or by the way, our third partner, Connell Brothers. Connell Brothers is a 120-year-old marketing company from the US. Stable? 120 years old. And, of course, our newest partner, Miss Joy Lim. Do you know Miss Joy Lim? Philippines' biggest geomancer. The geomancer of the stars. Okay? Ibig sabihin, lahat ng celebrity, Henry C., lahat ng businessmen sa kanya nagpapapunta for their geomancing activities. Okay? Ano ba yung geomancing? Yan yung feng shui. Do you understand feng shui? Yes. Okay? Now, paano ba tayo kikita ng maraming pera? Trillion dollar industry. Kung sabi $1 trillion, maraming pera? Yes. We want this? Yes. $1 trillion? Bihira, no? Bihira natin isipin niya na magkaka-$1 trillion tayo. Tama? How do you get into a $1 trillion industry? It's very simple. Sabi nila, if you want to fail, you listen to a failed person. If you want to succeed, you listen or you copy a successful person. Does this make sense? Yes. Yes. So let's listen to what the successful people are doing. Let's see what they're doing. On the far right, we have Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is now the youngest billionaire in the world. His business, a very simple website called Facebook. He is now worth $7 billion. $7 billion in Tagalog is 350 billion pesos. Noong ang loto, pumalo ng 800 million, tumigil ang Pilipinas sa kung ano ginagawa nila. Totoo, hindi? We are talking about 350 billion pesos at 22 years old. Grabe. That's how much money you can make on the internet. If only we knew how. Mr. Bill Gates, the richest man in the world, is into Microsoft. Right? Internet, e-commerce. Big business e-commerce? Yes. GFI is into e-commerce. The second industry, health and wellness. Health and wellness, is it a big industry? Yes. It is a very big industry. How do you know? Watch TV. 60% ng commercials ngayon, puro health and wellness. Agree? Yes. Go into Ministop. Isang refrigerator lang ang soda. Yung tatlong ref, ano naman? Green tea, beverages, right? Juice, healthy options or healthy beverages. Is this true? Yes. Lamang na? Yes. What is the very proof that health and wellness is the industry of the future, is the industry of today? It's very simple. Kung bebentahan kita ngayon, 12 pesos, isang basong tubig, bibili mo. Parang kita linaloko, tama? Tama? Hindi ko linaloko mo ba ako? Right? Will you buy it? No, because you're smart. Tama? Yes. You're doing it already. When was the last time you drank mineral water? Do you pay for mineral water? Yes. Do you pay for mineral water? Yes. How much per bottle? 12 pesos, that's right. 10 to 12 pesos, right? Akala ko you're smart. Why will you drink mineral water? For one purpose and one purpose alone. Health and wellness. Tama? So it is the industry of today. Hindi mo lang alam. Alright? That you're in that industry already. The next industry is an industry called network. Network marketing. Network marketing, familiar? Professional name, multi-level marketing. Street name, networking. Have you heard networking? Ha? Yan yung ano, street name niya. Professional name, multi-level marketing. Ha? Have you heard of multi-level marketing? Yes, you should. Why? On the far right is Warren Buffett. Do you know who Warren Buffett is? Warren Buffett, kapalitan niya ni Bill Gates every year sa 1 and 2 richest man in the world. And Mr. Warren Buffett owns 3 multi-level marketing companies. On the far left, we have, kilala? Donald Trump. Familiar kay Donald Trump? Yes. Very rich? Yes. Billionaire? Yes. Billionaire in dollars. Right? Last year, he set up a multi-level marketing company and he called it the Trump Network. You can look it up in YouTube. Lagay mo Trump Network. You'll see him there. He's inviting people. Right? Kaya it's crazy when one of my friends said, ayoko niyan, networking. Sabi ko, bakit? If it's good enough for Warren Buffett, if it's good enough for Donald Trump, it's good enough for me. Makes sense? Yes. Kasi alam na raw niya yan. Sabi ko, alam mo na ano yan? Yan networking. Ano yan? Yan yung ano eh, yung bilog-bilog. Excuse me, bilog-bilog. Ano yan, ginatan? Ha? Alam na ba niya? I don't think so. Right? Bakit? Eto, alam nila. So you want to succeed, you listen to successful people. You want to succeed, you do what the successful people do. Right? And the successful people are in these industries. And all these industries can be found within Global Fusion Incorporated. Yan ang maganda dyan. Sige,